What is up, everybody? Yet again, here we are. We're looking at more ClickGrab, and yeah, I think this would be really cool. I decided we'll take a little different turn of events, checking things out this time. So yeah, let's get started. So if you see, we're on the mhaggis GitHub.io ClickGrab page here. If you remember, these are generated nightly, so you always get more or less updated info. All of the links here lead you to cool things like the Streamlit app, download the latest stuff, JSON files and stuff. So if you want to actually analyze or extract any of the indicators or look at some of the different things that we trigger on as far as how ClickGrab works, you'll see all that in there. But today we're going to look at the latest report and check out some of the sites that we kind of fire off on here as far as like this. Something I probably haven't showcased enough, and I'll scroll down and show you here. So at the bottom of this page, might have shown this on the first video or something, but there is a report, maybe like a reporting type script that's also in the repo. This runs nightly as well, and it's actually pretty cool. It shows you some of the like common like external domains, just different things that are very common within all of these pages. For instance, all the CAPTCHA stuff and the font resources and different CDNs, Google resources, which again is the common CAPTCHA logo, and anything else. So I try to pull all that out just to kind of show you that these things are, I feel like there's a builder on the back end that they're just like, run this command, like I put my new server up that's hosting my PowerShell script or whatever. And it's just like paste in this box, hit generate, pop some, compromised box somewhere, host my HTML, and then kind of go on. Anyway, maybe there is. Maybe I just haven't read enough blogs to figure out what people have already written about this stuff. So anyway, all this stuff is in here. There's a lot of commonalities, and that's what this is meant to show you. You can see there's just kind of like standard stuff that they're commonly using, and the patterns are just super obvious. But check this out. I think it's kind of interesting. Writing a blog about this as well. So some of this stuff will be in there. Kind of neat. So anyway, let's go check out some of these sites. So if you remember yesterday, we dug into our good friends at riverviewpools.com. I clicked the link, right? So here it is. This is the live site. I wanted to at least show you what it looks like, right? Like, so this is it. So I just clicked this. And it's like, hey, you need to do all these things. So what happened was in the background, kill that. But in the background, right, is it copied this to my clipboard. So now if I come to run down here, whoops, lost it up. Oh my gosh, I'm showing you all kinds of other things you don't need to see right now. So anyway, this is it. It's in the clipboard, right? And it was that simple. PowerShell, Windows style command. Like just run this IEX thing, and it's meant to show you just this, right? So if you go look at the source, and obviously this is how ClickGrab works, is it hits it, grabs the HTML and parses everything out and looks for keywords and all that. So you can see this is exactly what I've been saying. Is it's a very simple static page. There's nothing really fancy in here. It's not like, I don't know. It's not like Next.js or Node or something. Like it's very, very simple, and everything's in here. Here's that CAPTCHA, Google CAPTCHA logo and everything like that. Everything you saw pop up, it's here too. Has like all the basic stuff. And here is this is that little modal that pops up, and then down here, as we get further down, you click the button, and it's like, oh, once you clicked it, it copies it to your clipboard. That's what all this stuff is. Scroll down. And then once you do that, here is the piece where it will paste into your clipboard and builds it or whatnot on this one. Yeah, there's a whole function right down here. So that's kind of like how the Riverview pool one works, which is still hosted to this day. And then for our next special guest is our blessed, I wouldn't call it blessed day, but it's blesseddayservices.org. Same deal. You click that and it's like, oh yeah, you need to go to, your run prompt and paste this and verify your, whatever. So this one maybe a little bit different, does a start process PowerShell argument, which is still the same, IWR, whatever it may be, same deal. Cool. Same thing, right? Had a little spinny wheel, same looking HTML. So again, I just grabbed the source, same stuff, same but different. To write a book about that. That's what the blog should be titled, same but different, same deal. And then same down here, right? Here is the function where it's going to build that piece that it drops into your clipboard. Cool. Next one is, if you notice too here at the top, they all say verify you are human. So there's not a lot different here. I'm going to click that one. Same. Oh, I forgot to show you on like Blessed Day and Riverview Pools, they never let you click the verify. So there's really nothing that's going to happen if you were to try to do a verify. Okay, this one in particular is not doing anything as far as like the I am not a robot piece. It's just more like, yo, run this cool thing. Let's verify that. Go down here in the HTML. This is the modal. And then down here, it should have did that, but it did not do that. Let's refresh. All right, capture this again. Let's see. Nope, this one's broken. So if you're running your stuff on mail.luckprofessional.com BR, you might need to fix your page. All right, and then this one here is our friends at mypetapp.co.za. Let me refresh, make sure things are clear here. Okay, I'm not a robot. Same deal. Go Windows R, Command V, and yeah, this one too. Interesting. I was gonna say it'd be funny if we could fix their code, but here it is down here. Yeah, it makes me think there's something wrong with it actually copying the I am not a robot piece to your clipboard here. The one other commonality, like visually, like scrolling through here, is you'll see they all say command to run, which makes me again think that there's just like a builder on the back end somewhere, or there's a builder that these peeps are using constantly. So a lot of very common type stuff here. Here's another one. I think it's the newer one from the reports, but same deal. Do that. I don't have to do that. Just click here, go there. Yeah, same thing. Copy. Go to the source here. There it is. Yeah, interesting. I don't know. Well, your stuff's broken. You should fix it. You should feel bad as well for your stuff being so broken. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you that. Common patterns, commonalities. We dug into some of the standard pages there. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions or you run into anything interesting with the tools or the report data. I still need to convert and move this over to the Python version. But yeah, maybe next video we'll dive into the Python one. There's some cool command line stuff. So anyway, have a good day, everybody. See you later.